Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
In a small, snow-covered village nestled between towering mountains, winter had arrived with its full force. The chilly winds howled through the trees, and the ground was blanketed in a thick layer of snow. Despite the beauty of the season, the cold brought hardship to many villagers, especially those who were less fortunate. Among the villagers was a young boy named Ali. Known for his kind heart and willingness to help others, Ali was always looking for ways to make life better for those around him. As the cold intensified, Ali noticed that some of his neighbors were struggling to stay warm and feed their families. One frosty morning, Ali set out with a plan. He bundled up in his warmest coat, scarf, and gloves, and headed to the village square. He carried a sack filled with food, blankets, and warm clothes that his family had generously gathered. Ali's parents, who shared his compassionate spirit, had encouraged him to spread kindness during the harsh winter. As he walked through the village, Ali saw an elderly man sitting on a bench, shivering in the cold. Without hesitation, Ali approached him and offered a thick woolen blanket and a hot loaf of bread. The man's eyes filled with gratitude as he wrapped the blanket around himself. "Thank you, young man," the old man said, his voice trembling. "You have warmed both my body and my heart." Ali continued his journey, stopping by the homes of families who were struggling to make ends meet. He delivered bags of food, warm clothing, and firewood to keep their homes heated. At each house, the residents welcomed him with smiles and heartfelt thanks. In the evening, Ali arrived at the home of his friend, Ahmed, whose family was going through a difficult time. Ahmed's mother was ill, and his father had lost his job. Ali brought them a basket of fresh fruits, a pot of soup, and a few toys for Ahmed's younger siblings. The joy on their faces filled Ali's heart with warmth. As the days passed, Ali's acts of kindness spread throughout the village. Inspired by his selflessness, other villagers began to contribute. They donated what they could: food, clothes, and even their time to help those in need. The village came together, creating a network of support that made the harsh winter more bearable for everyone. One evening, as the village gathered in the square for a winter festival, the village elder called Ali to the front. "Ali," he said, "your kindness has brought warmth to our hearts during this cold season. You have reminded us of the power of compassion and community." The villagers cheered and applauded, and Ali blushed with pride. But in his heart, he knew that the real reward was seeing the happiness and relief on the faces of those he had helped. From that winter on, Ali became a symbol of kindness and generosity in the village. Every year, as the snow began to fall, the villagers remembered Ali's winter kindness and continued to help each other, ensuring that no one was left behind in the cold. Moral: true warmth comes from the kindness we show to others, especially during difficult times.